This is a review on Nature's Art Box. This book contains 65 projects for kids that are all made with natural materials. The book is divided into 7 chapters by the materials used to complete the craft. The first chapter is really about art from nature. Then the second chapter goes into vines, twigs, cones, and moss. Third chapter is gourds, pods, husks, and seeds. Fourth chapter is clay, stones, sand, and shells. Fifth chapter is paints, inks, and dyes. The 6th chapter is flowers and leaves. And the 7th chapter is stamps, stencils, molds, and seals. This is an excellent book for exploring the environment wherever you live. Did you know that almost anything you find in nature can be used for something? This book is an excellent guide for conservation, learning history, and how to care for natural resources, all while having fun crafting. There are some not from nature materials that are required, and the author does a good job creating a you will need list for each craft. Here are some of my favorite crafts. The first one is this cantaloupe seed necklace, and there's the list on what you will need. And here's a more challenging craft, and the author does let you know if it's an easy or a challenging craft. And these are creating candles out of shells. Here's a really easy craft. It's called a nature journal. And here's a great section on making ink. And here's a flower headband. And here's some leaf rubbing gift wrap. And this last section is the appendix. And it's an extremely informative section. Let me show you here. Has some nature skills, different things on vines and trees. Here's plants that are great for coloring and painting. Flowers for drying. This is a very excellent book, very informative book, and I recommend it. Be 5 stars.